Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to T-Mobile in-car connectivity, complete guide step by step clearly. Check the T-Mobile website or contact customer service for a list of compatible vehicles. Once you confirm compatibility, visit the T-Mobile in-car connectivity page on their website. Click on the Get Started button to begin the subscription process. You will be prompted to log in using your T-Mobile account credentials. If you do not have an account, select the option to create one. Provide the necessary personal information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. After registering or logging in, review the subscription plans offered. Choose a plan that best fits your needs. Click on the selected plan to proceed with the subscription. You may be asked to enter your vehicle identification number, or VIN. Locate your VIN, usually found on the driver's side dashboard or door frame. Enter your VIN accurately into the designated field. Follow the prompts to confirm your subscription details. You may need to provide payment information if you are selecting a paid plan. Review your payment details for accuracy before finalizing the subscription. Once everything is confirmed, submit your subscription request. You should receive a confirmation email regarding your subscription. Follow any additional instructions provided in the confirmation email. Wait for your T-Mobile in-car connectivity service to be activated. Once activated, enjoy the benefits of connectivity in your vehicle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.